Homemade snacks is something that I really love and enjoy, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful and easy homemade sweet snack which is banana paniyaram. Now your kids are definitely going to love this, so let's get started and check out the recipe. First I'm going to melt the jaggery. For this, to a pot add half cup of water. To this I'm going to add half cup of jaggery. So this is roughly about 75 grams. To a bowl, add the chopped banana pieces. For this recipe, I've taken 5 small bananas. Gently mash the banana pieces along with the jaggery syrup. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add a few coconut pieces. This will add a nice crunch to the appams. Mix everything well. Add 1 cup of wheat flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Now mix everything together. The batter is a little thick, so I'm going to add a little water to get the right consistency. So the batter is done. Now you can see it's got a nice dropping consistency. Heat a Paniyaram skillet, add a little ghee to it. Now pour the batter in small amounts to the Paniyaram skillet. Once it's cooked to one side, flip it to the other side and let it cook. Cook the banana appams till you get a nice golden brown color on both sides.